Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Cadillac CTS headlight bulb. This task often involves partially moving the front bumper for proper access. You will need a few basic tools, including a flat blade screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Always confirm you have the correct replacement bulb, such as an H11 or D1S, before starting. This guide will help you complete the job efficiently and safely. To begin, open your hood and remove the plastic clips and screws along the top of the bumper. Next, you will need to partially pull back the inner fender liner in the wheel well. This reveals additional 10mm bolts that secure the bumper cover. Once these are removed, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender on both sides. Finally, remove the 2 or 3 10mm bolts holding the headlight assembly in place. With the headlight assembly now accessible, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing and pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, remember to wear gloves or use a clean cloth to avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly shorten the bulb's lifespan. Twist the new bulb clockwise until it is firmly seated. After installing the new bulb, reconnect its electrical connector. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its mounting location, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reinstall all the 10mm bolts that secure the headlight and then reattach the bumper cover, replacing all plastic clips and screws. Before fully tightening everything, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. This ensures a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.